Ever struggled to understand auto repair manuals? You're not alone. For many, these manuals seem to be written in a cryptic language, full of technical jargon and intricate diagrams. It's like trying to decipher an ancient scroll. But the truth is, these manuals hold the key to the inner workings of our cars. They are the roadmaps to maintaining the health of our vehicles, the guides to diagnosing problems, and the how-to for repairing them. They are the secret weapon in a car enthusiast's toolkit. So, understanding them is not just a matter of convenience, it's a matter of necessity. Whether it's for a regular oil change, or a more complex engine overhaul, these manuals provide the step-by-step instructions to get the job done right. But, don't worry. Today, we will break down the process of reading and understanding auto repair manuals into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First, familiarize yourself with the structure of auto repair manuals. These comprehensive guides are your roadmaps to understanding and maintaining your vehicle. They typically start with an introduction, providing a broad overview of the manual's contents and the vehicle's features. The next section you'll encounter is the maintenance schedule, a timeline detailing when you should perform specific checks and services to keep your car running smoothly. Now, if you're facing a specific issue, the troubleshooting guide is your best friend. This section offers a systematic approach to diagnosing common problems. Following this, you'll find detailed repair procedures. These step-by-step instructions walk you through repairs and replacements from the simplest tasks to the most complex procedures. Each section of the manual plays a vital role. By knowing where to find what you need, you'll be better equipped to tackle any car troubles that come your way. Remember, knowing the structure of your manual can save you time and frustration. Next, it's time to tackle the technical jargon. Immersed in the world of auto repair manuals, you'll come across a myriad of technical terms. These can often seem like a foreign language, but don't be daunted. Firstly, you'll find terms like chassis, which is the vehicle's base frame or differential, a device that splits the engine's torque two ways, allowing the wheels to spin at different speeds. Then there's torque, a measure of how much a force acting on an object causes that object to rotate. To make sense of these terms, you have a few handy tools at your disposal. Online resources like automotive websites and forums are treasure troves of information. Automotive dictionaries, either physical books or digital, can also be incredibly useful. They provide definitions and explanations that can clarify these terms in an accessible way. Remember, the key is not to rush. Take your time to understand the terms. Understanding these terms will make the repair process much smoother. Finally, let's demystify the diagrams and schematics. These visual tools are the heart and soul of any auto repair manual. They provide a detailed roadmap of the vehicle's systems and components. You could think of them as the blueprints of your vehicle. Now, reading these diagrams might seem daunting at first, but don't worry. Start by identifying the major components. They are usually labeled and represented by universally accepted symbols. Once you're familiar with these, move on to the smaller details. Next, follow the lines. They represent wires or connections between different parts. Solid lines typically signify a direct connection, while dashed or dotted lines can indicate a wireless or indirect connection. Also, pay attention to the color codes. Many manuals use specific colors to represent different types of wires or fluids. Lastly, always cross-reference with the written instructions. The diagrams and text should complement each other, providing a comprehensive understanding of the task at hand. With a little practice, you'll be able to read these diagrams like a pro. So, what have we learned today? We've explored the structure of auto repair manuals, learning they're not as intimidating as they may seem at first glance. We've tackled technical jargon, shining light on those cryptic terms and abbreviations. And we've decoded complex diagrams and schematics, turning them from bewildering blueprints into roadmaps for repair. It's all about gaining confidence, and these tools help make that happen. With these tips in mind, you'll be able to navigate auto repair manuals with ease. Happy repairing!